Let's DIY a quick, easy Easter sign using one of the long board signs from the Dollar Tree and some of their little Easter headbands. These are so cute. I think they look kind of like the little peep rabbits. I want to use them upside down here on this. I just have to pull out that wire. It was kind of really attached. I used a pair of pliers and pulled that out. And I want to alternate different pastel colors. So I did the blue, the pink, and the purple. And then I can add a word over here on the side. I'm going to use one of the little Easter words from the Dollar Tree that says hop. Since I already have pastel blue, pink, and purple, I'm going to do like a pastel green for the hop sign. So I just painted that easily with a little makeup sponge. Those are so great for painting those thin signs from the Dollar Tree. I attach it with hot glue, and then I just have to hot glue down all of the little bunnies like that with their bunny tails on top. And then I thought a little pop of color for the hanger would be nice. So I'm going to use one of the little Easter wood bead garlands from the Dollar Tree. The pastel colors are really cute, and I think that will go nicely with it. I just took the tassel off of the end, measured it to make it about the same length as the hanger was before, and tied the ends where I can just reattach that with my staple gun here to the back of the sign. A quick, easy little Easter sign. I really love how it turned out, and this is it. What do you guys think about this one?